What do you want? You want something out like soon, like 22?
Yeah, 22.
Hey!
Close.
Keep it on. Outside!
Jay's gonna stay in. Come on, man. Look at this dude. Man. Hey. I didn't even get that, bro.
Quick with it. Nice pass.
Good save, good save. Good save. It's okay.
Good work, Black. Keep it up, Black. Take. Yes, Ruben.
Ruben,
Watch out, man on.
good pass, man. Let's reset, shall we?
Pressure. Come on, a little bit.
We know it's gonna be moved.
Gotta force it, guys.
We know.
Pass. Yep. Keep going.
All right, hey, let's go. Out of. Chris.
Yeah, no push, no hands. Watch the hands.
Dang.
Chris. Zooming down on the players, think.
I missed one of your good saves. I think. I don't think I did. I'm good. You're good.
20.
Here we go, Andrew.
Hey, you gonna play for free?
Hey, everyone. Hey, Gabe. Hornet, watch the back pass.
Chris. Hey, Michael, you're on him.
Side to side.
Action, watch the side.
Hey, watch the pass pass. Stay with it. Come on. Grab. Come on, one on the ball. Open up.
Yeah, switch back. Good job.
Imagine if Ruben was there. Oh,
Yeah, he couldn't.
Yeah, Chris back.
He's right here.
You can't get the ball, you go from here.
hey, Chris, don't be Get on him. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, good pass.
Take.
Hey, Ruben.
Yes, Ruben.
Oh! Would have been offsides anyway, but I think
Maybe. Probably not.
really he was past that guy.
Yeah, but there was like a guy like an inch at it. He might have been straight. Plus, probably, referee might have let it slide.
That was not a shot, bro.
Should we go in for moving right now?
Yeah.
Ruben!
I think the one on the metal post too. That's.
Howdy! Switch to the Asher. Asher, come here. Asher, come up. Howdy, your left feet. Let's go, Andrew.
I'll never go.
Max his own teammate.
Sorry, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Somebody go with him. Go with him, Soy. Go with him. One of you.
Open up. Open up.
Go there. Through. Be up there. You're trying. Asher, this way.
Oh.
You're ready now, guys. Ready, Sawyer. Hey, pressure that, Sawyer. Pressure. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Take. Next back. Hey, Corey, drop on defense. Corey, drop. Hey, when Kobe goes up. He's good. Number 10.
Llévatela, Miguel.
He's got to practice on the shooter. Yes. Oh, yeah, he does. Pause.
Now you can go up, Zoe, but when Toby goes up, you gotta drop back. Yeah, keep going. Look, take.
Oh, no. Good to clear.
Andrew.
Gino.
Forwards, push up. Defense takes the kick. Come on. Keep playing. Get up there, Preston.
Yes. Clear it. Uh-oh. No, Brian, no. Yeah, you can tell.
Keep moving, Black. Keep shooting.
Good. Nah, he can. He
Fill
can.
in for Javi. He's back. You gotta go back.
You gotta clear it. Good, good, good. Nice, 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 nice.
Llévatela, Miguel.
Hey, that boy. Hey.
McDonald's on you?
We gotta make numbers.
Jack, one on your right. Defense be talking.
Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. Oh!
All together,
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Hey, yo, practice is doing something to Chima. Yeah, you can tell Miguel's getting a little tired.
We're gonna talk about that.
You can tell he is.
Huh?
There you are.
Someone needs to go into that.
Yeah, he is. Oh!
Jack.
I'm going for Miguel.
Okay, well, we gotta
Damn, wait, 1 to 3.
I can't get it
Oh,
there.
it's 1, 2. Damn, Andrew.
Just wait, Jack. Just wait, Jack. Now make a run off of it.
Uh-oh.
Hey, good recovery.
Good, good, good.
No, go. 3v2, 3v2. Go, Kurt.
Help him out.
Go, Kurt.
Help him out.
Left foot, left foot.
I would have
We're going at 10. We're going at 10.
If he begged him and he's like, he's
yeah, if you made that, I would have cried. I would have been like, nigga's not even in, he would have quit.
Chris just jokes.
What a rip.
Ooh, big body. Big body 10.
There you go. Clean it off the wall. Keep talking, Black. Keep talking. Talk, Black. Keep shooting, Black. Keep it up, Black. Keep it up.
Get on him.
Go, go.
Yeah, run.
Go, 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 go.
He's like Van Dyke.
He's looking for that opening. Looking for that opening.
You in?
Andrew, slide up. Andrew, slide up. Michael's going to take this.
Man, you fatty.
Call for it. Call for it.
Good.
There you go. Come on, Black.
Good. Get on the Ruben. Is that Jay? Yes. Good. A little less hard next time.
Not even high, it's like a little bit to the left.
Oh, I know that hurt.
Rebound. Get it caught. Don't stop. Out.
Oh, good. Go. Should have taken it.
Wait. Who's been in the longest? Jay.
Jay just got in.
Jay just got in.
Nah, Jay just got in.
Watch out, big defense.
It's fine.
Get up. Hey, whose shin guard is that? Good.
Keep shooting, Black. Keep shooting, guys. Don't stop.
I'm carrying the team.
I'm not even carrying any, but I'm playing so ass.
Hey, don't say that to yourself. Are you?
Keep going.
Do you want to be outfield?
Can I go in for Jay?
Forward.
Yeah.
Where's Jay play?
What's up in that 4?
Wait, am I going back in or no?
Yeah. Do you want to? Well, actually, hold on.
I'll play anything.
Who else is there? Hale has to go back out too.
Huh?
Hale has to go back out too. So I don't know.
Then I'll go in for Ruben.
Yeah. Okay.
Jack, stop playing cash.
So at 4:30.
Going at 4:30.
4:30. Yes, for Jay. Sucking good, Sassy Shooters. You think?
Nah, no.
This dude, who's that guy? He loves his headers, bro. Let this play go. Let this play go. Let this play go. Let this play go.
Yeah, get it.
I'll play Andrew. Curious.
Okay. All right, then get Jay in. Jay. Chill, Andrews.
Never mind. Good shot.
Ooh.
Keep going. Andrew, keep going. Run with the play, and then after this play. Hand.
All right, Andrew. Dude, I'm getting better at recording.
I'm gonna buy you a camera. Watch.
I can't my bike camera.
Like, yeah, try. T Brown, the cameraman.
Yes! You got it. McGill. He finally got his goal. Look at that smile. Look at that smile.
You saw that assist, bro?
Yeah, no one saw it. It was Miguel's moment.
Literally.
Uh-oh.
Go up, Sawyer, go up. All the way up.
Sawyer, back side, come on.
That's the top of that.
Oh, Ruben.
Miguel.
Yeah, nice touch, Jack. Ooh. Turn that boy to a tornado.
Tackle.
Get on him. Get ready. Yeah, nice shot. Yo, nigga, put your shirt down. Bro, he just got in my view. Oh, Aymar. Oh, is that what MLS teaches you? Oh.
We start by 3.
Oh no, I don't think we're gonna win.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I love Travis's story.
See Jorge. Pass to Cruz. To Molina. Then to Cavada. Number 10. Pass to 1. On to Cavada. To Esparza. Oh! Oh my God, that was queen. Damn. Bro. Ah.